Namaste students, my name is Vanita Raut and you are watching VVR Creation. Now we will discuss here the main topic of heredity and evolution. Before starting this topic, I want to tell you one important thing. In description box, test is given. Open and solve the test and be entitled to a good score. Let's start. Definitions. Heredity is the transfer of biological character from one generation to another. Second, central dogma is the process of synthesis of proteins by DNA through RNA. Triplet codon. 3 nucleotides which code for each amino acid is called as triplet codon. Transcription. Process of synthesis of mRNA according to the nucleotide sequence present on DNA is called transcription. Translation. The process of bringing tRNA possessing anticodon that is complementary to the codon on mRNA for protein synthesis is called translation. Next, translocation. The process of movement of the ribosome from one end of mRNA to the other end by the distance of one triplet codon is called translocation. Then mutation. Mutation is any sudden change that occurs in nucleotide sequence of a gene causing either a minor or considerable change in the characters of an individual. Then evidences of evolution. The first evidence is morphological evidence. Morphological evidence, similarity in morphological characters like mouth structure, position of eyes, etc. Second one, anatomical evidence, similarity in bone structure and bone joints in organs. Third, vestigial organs, degenerated or underdeveloped useless organ, example appendix, tailbone, wisdom tooth, body hair, etc. Then next, paleontological evidence, age of fossils estimated by carbon dating technique. Fifth one, connecting links. Peripatus is connecting link between annelidas and arthropodas. Second, lungfish is connecting link between fishes and amphibians. Third one, duck-billed Peripatus is connecting link between reptiles and mammals. 6. Embryological evidence, similarity in embryonic development stages for development. And the next topic is Darwin's theory of natural selection. He published theory of natural selection. This theory said only those organisms can survive who are fittest. While explain this concept, he published book named as Origin of Species. In this book, he said each organism compete with each other, and in this competition, only those organisms can live who shows modification of competitions. And other hand, nature also select organisms. Nature select only those organisms who fit to live, and this organism performs reproduction. This is called theory of natural selection. And last topic is theory of inheritance of acquired character or Lamarckism. This concept as principle of use or disuse of organs. He said that the neck of giraffe has become too long due to boughing of leaves of tall plants by extending their neck for several generations. Second example, shoulders of the ironsmith have become very strong due to frequent hammering movements. Third one, wings of birds like ostrich and emu have become weak due to no use. Fourth one, legs of birds like swan and duck have become useful for swimming due to living in water. And the fifth one is snakes have lost their legs by modifications in their body for burrowing habit. All these examples are types of acquired characters and are transferred from one generation to another generation. This is called theory of inheritance of acquired character or Lamarckism. So guys, solve test on heredity and evolution. Link of the test share in description box. Try to solve test. Best of luck. Thank you.